Hey, hey, hey! Welcome to Level Up English, your bridge to real English. I'm Nora.
And I'm Leo. Let's go. Nora, how was work today?
Don't even get me started. I had back-to-back meetings all morning, my inbox is out of control, and I still haven't finished the report that's due tomorrow.
Back-to-back meetings, inbox out of control, due tomorrow, and that is today's episode, Work Life in English.
Because here's the thing, you spend most of your day at work, right? 8 hours, 9 hours, sometimes more. And if you need to talk about work in English with coworkers and emails, on calls, you need these phrases.
And our work lives are so different. Nora works in an office, a tech startup. I work with clients one-on-one as a personal trainer. So today we're both going to walk you through a typical workday and teach you the vocabulary along the way.
2 totally different jobs, 2 totally different sets of vocabulary, but a lot of it overlaps in ways you wouldn't expect. Let's see.
You go first. Take us through your morning at the office.
Okay, so I usually start my day by checking my inbox. Inbox, that's where all your emails land. I have 50 unread emails in my inbox. And let me tell you, that's a real number, not an exaggeration.
50? Every morning?
Welcome to startup life. So first thing, I go through my emails and prioritize. Prioritize means you decide what's most important and do that first. I need to prioritize my tasks for today.
Prioritize. Big word, super useful. At work, everything feels urgent, but you can't do everything at once, so you prioritize. What's the priority right now?
Exactly. Then I check my calendar. And most days, it's packed. Packed means completely full. My schedule is packed today. Meeting at 9, meeting at 10, meeting at 11.
My schedule is packed. Say it with me. You'll use this one a lot. And the opposite? My schedule's pretty light today. Light means not many things planned.
I wish my schedule was light. Anyway, then there's the morning stand-up.
Stand-up. That's a quick team meeting, right?
Yes, a stand-up is a short meeting, usually 15 minutes, where everyone on the team shares what they're working on. We have a stand-up every morning at 9:30. It's called a stand-up because originally people literally stood up to keep it short.
Smart. If everyone's standing, nobody wants to talk for an hour.
Exactly. And in the stand-up, you say things like, I'm working on, plus the task. I'm working on the social media campaign. I'm working on the quarterly report. That's the most common phrase in any office.
I'm working on. Universal. I use it too. I'm working on a new training program for my clients. Works for any job.
And then there's my favorite office phrase. I'm swamped. That means you have too much work. You're drowning in tasks. Can you help me with this? Sorry, I'm swamped right now.
Swamped. Like you're sinking in work. I love that word. The opposite would be, things are pretty slow right now, when there's not much to do.
Things are slow. That never happens at my job. But it's good to know.
And notice, you just learned Nora's entire office morning. Inbox, prioritize, packed schedule, stand up, I'm working on, swamped. You understood all of it. But imagine you're in a real meeting tomorrow, and your manager says, my schedule is packed and I'm swamped. Can you prioritize the client report? Could you respond naturally, right there in the moment?
That's the real challenge. Understanding work English is one thing, but producing it in a meeting, on a call, in a quick Slack message, that takes a different kind of practice.
That's what From Stuck to Fluent builds. 30 days of producing real English in real work situations. So I'm swamped comes out automatically, not after 5 seconds of translating.
QR codes on screen, links in the pinned comment. 500 Everyday Phrases bonus is still available. Grab it while you can.
Okay, now let me tell you about my work life, because it's completely different. I don't have an office. I don't have a boss. I'm self-employed. Self-employed means you work for yourself. No company, no boss, you run your own thing.
Self-employed. A lot of people listening probably are or want to be. Are you employed or self-employed? That's a common question on forms, by the way.
So my first thing is checking my bookings. Bookings, that's my appointments, my scheduled clients. I have 5 bookings today. Then I prep for each session, review their goals, plan the workout.
Prep, short for prepare. I need to prep for the meeting. Let me prep everything before the client arrives. Super casual, super common at work.
And then I meet my first client. And here's where it gets interesting for English, because I have to manage expectations. Manage expectations means being honest about what's realistic. I need to manage their expectations about results.
Oh, that's a good one. You use that everywhere. Let's manage expectations with the client means let's make sure they know what's actually possible, not overpromising.
And sometimes I need to follow up. Follow up means to check back on something. I need to follow up with my client about their diet. Can you follow up on that email? It means go back and check, remind, or get an update.
Follow up. Yes, I follow up on things 20 times a day. Just following up on my last email. That's basically a whole genre of emails.
Ha, the just following up email. Everyone knows it.
Okay, and this is where work gets real. Whether you're in an office or self-employed, everyone deals with these next things. Deadlines. Deadlines. A deadline is the date something has to be finished. The deadline is Friday. I missed the deadline. Uh-oh. I need to meet the deadline. That means finish on time.
Meet the deadline. Not do the deadline, not make the deadline, meet the deadline. Can we meet the deadline? I'm not sure we can meet the deadline. Super important combo.
Okay, back to work life. Meetings. Leo, I'm the expert here. Oh, I'm an expert in meetings. Way too many meetings. Okay, when someone invites you to a meeting, you might need to say, let me check my availability. Availability means when you're free. What's your availability this week?
Availability. A bit formal, but very professional. You can also just say, let me check my schedule.
And if you can't make the meeting, something came up. Something came up means an unexpected thing happened and you can't do what you planned. Sorry, I can't make it to the meeting. Something came up.
Something came up. No details needed. It's polite and professional. Nobody will ask what happened.
And in the meeting itself, can I jump in here? That means you want to add something to the conversation. Can I jump in? Very natural in meetings.
Jump in. I like that. Quick and confident. Not, excuse me, may I please speak now? Just, can I jump in?
And when the meeting is over, let me send out the recap. A recap is a summary of what was discussed. I'll send the recap by end of day. End of day, another work phrase. EOD. Some people write it as just the letters.
By end of day. That means before the workday is over. Can you send that by end of day? You might also hear by close of business. Same thing, slightly more formal.
And here's one for emails. As per our conversation. That means like we talked about. You use it to reference a previous discussion. As per our conversation, I'm attaching the report. Professional, clear, done.
As per our conversation. Office gold. Write that one down.
Okay, let's talk about something everyone experiences but nobody likes to talk about.
Work stress?
Work stress. I'm burned out. Burned out means you've been working too hard for too long and you have nothing left. No energy, no motivation. I'm completely burned out.
If you listen to our Stop Saying I'm Fine episode, you already know this one. But it shows up so much in work life that it deserves a second look. Burned out is different from just tired. Tired is one bad day. Burned out is weeks or months of too much work. She burned out and had to take a month off.
And the opposite, when things are going great. I got a raise. A raise is when your salary goes up. I asked for a raise and they said yes. Best feeling ever.
Got a raise. Congrats. And similar, I got promoted. A promotion means you move up to a better position. She got promoted to senior manager.
And what about when you want to change jobs? I'm thinking of making a move. Making a move means changing jobs or careers. I've been at this company for 3 years. I think it's time to make a move.
Making a move. Smooth way to talk about job changes without saying, I want to quit. Very diplomatic.
And Leo, for you being self-employed, what's the hardest part?
Honestly, wearing all the hats. Wearing all the hats means doing every job yourself. Marketing, accounting, customer service, everything. When you're self-employed, you wear all the hats.
Wearing all the hats. Great idiom. And so true. When there's no team, you're the whole team.
But the best part? I set my own schedule. Set your own schedule, decide when you work. I set my own hours. Freedom.
Okay, quick review round. Work phrases from today. I say the situation, Leo gives the phrase.
Let's go.
Your calendar is completely full.
My schedule is packed.
You have too much work and you're drowning.
I'm swamped.
You need to check back on an email you sent.
I'll follow up on that.
You have to finish the project by Friday.
I need to meet the deadline.
You can't attend the meeting because of an unexpected problem.
Sorry, something came up.
You've been overworking for months and have no energy left.
I'm completely burned out.
You want to add something during a meeting.
Can I jump in here?
How many did you get before, Leo? 5 or more? You're ready for the office.
Comment challenge time.
Tell us about your work life in the comments. Use at least 3 phrases from today. Like, I work in marketing. My schedule is usually packed and I'm always following up on emails. Honestly, I'm kind of burned out right now. Show us what your workday looks like.
We read every single comment, and we love seeing what jobs our listeners have. This community is amazing.
It really is. Okay, if this helped you, subscribe. Hit that bell. New episodes every week.
Smash that like button and share this with a coworker who's learning English.
Ooh, tag a coworker. That's even better.
All right, you crushed it today. Now go check your inbox and practice saying, I'm swamped.
Because you probably are. See you in the next one. Bye.
Bye, everyone. Keep leveling up.